Want to make your weapons in Call of Duty Black Ops 6 look exactly how you want? The highly demanded blueprint swap feature is back, and it's a game changer. Stick around to see how it works and why you need to jump in now. What's up, gamers? Welcome to GadInsider, your ultimate source for gaming news. Today we're breaking down the latest Call of Duty Black Ops 6 update that dropped on May 7, 2025, bringing back the fan-favorite blueprint swap feature. Let's lock and load. Treyarch Studios just made every Black Ops 6 player's dream come true by officially reintroducing the blueprint swap feature. This lets you customize your weapon blueprints or base weapons with any unlocked skin. Want your favorite blueprint to rock a different vibe? Now you can. Fun fact, this feature popped up briefly in Season 1, but got yanked days later. Now it's back for good, and the community is buzzing. Here's the deal. Head to the Gunsmith Skins tab in Black Ops 6, and you'll see all the skins you can slap on your weapons. For blueprints, you can mix and match skins with other attachments, like a new camo on your favorite setup. Base weapons, you can change the entire skin, but not individual attachments. Oh, and some Mastercraft blueprints keep their signature barrel or stock design, no matter what attachments you pick, so that premium look stays intact. This update isn't just about looking cool. Treyarch dropped a ton of stability improvements and bug fixes for multiplayer and zombies, making matches smoother and less glitchy. Whether you're moving down zombies or dominating in team deathmatch, these tweaks make the game feel tighter than ever. Plus, Call of Duty Warzone got a fresh update on May 7 too, so it's a big week for Call of Duty fans. Why is this a big deal? Blueprint Swap gives you total control to flex your style in every lobby. Perfect for players who love personalizing their loadouts and standing out. Plus, the gameplay fixes mean you're getting a better experience overall. So, what's your go-to skin combo? Drop it in the comments, and let's see who's got the slickest setup. That's the lowdown on Black Ops 6's Blueprint Swap update. If you're ready to customize your arsenal, hit that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and tap the bell icon for more gaming scoops.